unboxing nowadays season greeting 2025, and this is their first season greeting. That's why I'm so excited. In this video I will talk a lot with English so my international friends can understand what I'm saying. So in this video, first I want to unboxing this photo card, random benefit photo card from Sorryyy. We just got 1 out of 5, so I'm not that lucky girl. I think I don't have season, but it's okay. Doesn't matter. So excited. Wait, no. Oh my god. So cute. I got in. And the second I will open this with but it's not good. Wait. Okay. Wait, oh my god. Eat. I got the bola. It's random, and not all people get it. Oh my god, I can see you. Really so, honestly. So, look at the earring, it's so fancy. I love it. The sticker. What is acrylic magnet. I love it. With it, I think this postcard. Oh my god. Coming. Yun. No. Sino? Sorry. And these two photocard. 2 types of photocard. We open the first one. A version. Coming. Yun. Yanu. In the oven. Wait. Oh my god. Oh! Version B. Youngbin. Oh, this is the animal representative, I think. Yun. Oh, no. This joke. Oh. Yonu. And his dinosaur. Ginger. Bear. Yun. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I don't want to open this. Sorryyy. And this poster. What is that? I think it's poster. Under poster. Oh, poster. Cute. And this is the calendar. Oh my god. No one left. No. Oh, I break apart all of them. Inoki. Uni. Oh, good. I love it. Cute. Thank you for watching. Bye.